Neural network gives Elon Musk incredible makeovers. I've seen the girl
version,
the girl Musk before, but I haven't seen all these ones. So they have pale, tanned, makeup, curly hair, straight hair, bob cut, high top fade. High top fade Musk that looks like a different person.
He does.
I don't know why that is. It looks like a different person.
Like a Bart Simpson, like a Simpsons character.
It looks like somebody else. For all the other ones, I can see.
Sure, yeah.
I can. Even that one.
Makeup.
Even that one is
looks like a senator or something.
A senator.
Yeah, just like very. I don't know.
You're talking
makeup and the properness looks like a U.S. senator or like a politician or something.
Go ahead, Will.
Doesn't it?
Go on.
Just looks like one.
Go ahead.
Like a generic one. That's all I have to say. So they have Zuckerberg too. Moving on.
Oh, that guy. One of them looks like me there. The one with the beard.
This one?
That one, kind of. Yeah.
Yeah.
Glasses, bald.
Although his head is bigger in this one.
And it's a different shape.
Yeah.
I guess no one truly knows the shape under there. Well, they kind of do because they have the hair. That's weird. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Which one is the best Zuckerberg here? I actually think the one with the slight beard is good. Not that one down there.
This one? Yeah.
He looks
more approachable.
A little less. And go back and let me pick my Elon as well.
Okay.
Since we're doing it. The neural network. I might just take the input Elon. The original Elon. No.
You like the OG? What about shaggy hair, Elon?
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
In his young days?
I really don't know how to feel about tanned Elon. That one is screwing me up a lot.
Yeah.
I have mixed feelings on that.
Too many golf games.
I don't think he golfs.
No. But I'm saying, like, if he were tanned, it's because of golf. Right? In an alternate universe?
Yeah. Or like visiting Larry Ellison in Hawaii.
Sure.
For too long.
Just secretly.
On a private jet.
This one looks like...
you like that one?
The aliens meme.
No, I'm taking high top fade, Elon. I'd like to see that just once.
Right.
So anyway, these were generated by AI-based generative adversarial networks. Of course, that's what it was. I knew that.
Yeah, but I could see this technology being used to, like, I don't know, just face-changing modifications, you know.
Yeah,
if you want to look a certain way, you could do that. Plastic surgery, maybe.
Oh, okay.
Just make it more accurate to you.
Right. Yeah.
But
or you're just thinking about a makeover.
Exactly.
That's all.
I could look like Elon with this high top fade.
Well, once you got the whole like runner lifestyle thing going on.
Change man.